By this writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the page number 2/512 petitioners herein have projected that the petitioner number 1 to 10 were persons from OBC category, petitioner number 11 belonged from the scheduled caste category, and the petitioner number 12 was a person from the general category. Since the year 2008, the petitioners were engaged by the APDCL as casual laborers and or outsourced Shayang for maintenance of LT and HT line and other works under the Sagar Electrical Subdivision and Siva Sagar Electrical Subdivision. By advertisement, the APDCL invited application for filling up 1064 posts for trainee Sayank as per criteria and qualification as mentioned therein. One of the conditions mentioned in the employment advertisement, which appears to be one of the cases on which this writ petition is based, is that the application for the post of Shayank should be submitted in offices which cover their places of residence, and that the applicants would be considered where application form was submitted. The candidates, including the petitioner, participated in the interview held for section selection, and accordingly, the authority had published the provisional select list for all 93 posts of Shayank where candidates other than the petitioner were selected. The selection of private respondents number 6 to 9 have been challenged inter alia on the ground that they were not permanent residents within Shiva's Sagar electrical circle. That he said respondents were selected on pick and choose basis. He said respondent had lesser experience than the petitioners. The learned senior advocate for the petitioner had meticulously referred to various documents on record, had referred to the statement made in the writ petition as well as to stand of the respondent in their affidavit in opposition and the statement made in the affidavit in reply filled by the petitioners. It is submitted that the respondent had admitted that the respondent number 6 to 9 were residents of Dibrugarh district, which would disincite them to apply outside their home district, and as such it is submitted that the selection of the respondent number 6 to 9 stood vitiated, being contrary to the terms and condition of the employment notice advertisement as published by the APDCL. Candidates, I want to say you can see these all things, and if you will talk, you can pause this and you can read. You should read these all things and you should know what is going on. And I'm telling you that your result will show you after some time on website through notice. So please wait for a few days more because of your cases going on in High Court, Guwahati High Court, and what will be interim and what will be conclusion of your petition numbers. Particular you can check at services.com, and whatever will be conclusion by Honorable High Court, I'll intimate you. Thank you very much.